Tell me, is that an android?
Yeah, just sitting here playing Angry Birds.
Well, let me ask you this. Exactly what resolution can it record at?
720p.
P.
Yeah.
Well, this is the new iPhone 5 and it can record at 1080p.
One of those. Hey, nice job there with Apple Maps, smartass.
Okay, that was one time, and you know what? Siri, schedule me an appointment to kick this guy's ass today.
What time is your appointment?
Right now.
Okay, I set up your appointment for today. Your event is scheduled for 3:25 p.m. today.
Tell me, can your phone do that?
Aw, you know I won. iPhone is better after all.
Mother!
Really?
Any last words, iPhone user?
Wait, iPhone user, my name's Chris.
What?
Yeah, Chris, that's my name. What's yours?
David.
David. See, we were fighting each other and we wouldn't even know our names. See?
Hustle over phones.
Wow. Here. iPhone's still better though.
Guess we're just gonna have to agree to disagree.
Nice job there with Apple Maps, cowboy.
Okay, that was one time, and you know what? Can your phone do this? Siri. Siri, if you don't mind, could you schedule an Siri. Well, I have Siri. And you know what? Just for that, Siri, schedule me an appointment to kick this guy's ass right now.
Okay, I set up your appointment for today. Are you ready for me to schedule it?
Damn right.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Just press yes. You don't have to.
Action!
Wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. That's not in the script.
Any last words, iPhone user?
My name is Chris.
What?
Cut.
Any last words, iPhone user?
My name is Chris.
What?
Cut.
I mean, that'd be kind of a nice effect, though.